Hi everyone. So in this video we will be talking about Down syndrome. Okay. So Down syndrome. So Down syndrome किस लिए होता है? Why does Down syndrome occurs? It occurs due to trisomy of chromosome 21. Okay. It is the most common chromosomal disorder. Okay. It is the most common inheritable cause of mental retardation. Okay, so genetic basis, let's see Down syndrome क्या होता है. It occurs due to trisomy 21. ये याद रखना 21 chromosome, most common chromosomal disorder. ठीक है, it is the most common inheritable cause of mental retardation. Okay, so let's see the genetic basis of Down syndrome. So it occurs due to three reasons. Number one is meiotic non-disjunction. Okay, then number two is Robertsonian translocation. Okay, and number three is mosaicism. Okay, so let's see one by one. Meiotic non-disjunction is the most common cause of Down syndrome. ठीक है, it is associated with increased maternal age. अगर if a mother gives birth at the later half of her life, okay, like increased age हुआ है, then she gave birth to a baby, then she is her children are more susceptible to have Down syndromes. Okay, and this meiotic non-disjunction जो होता है, it takes place at meiosis 1. Okay, all trisomies, this is a statement, occurs due to defect in meiosis 1 except for trisomy 18, that is Edwards syndrome, occurs in meiosis 2. So what you have to remember, all trisomies occurs due to defect in meiosis 1 except for trisomy 18, that is Edwards syndrome, occurs in meiosis 2. Okay, now let's see about Robertsonian translocation. So this Robertsonian translocation, it occurs in chromosome 21 and chromosome 14. Okay, क्या होता है इसमें? It is seen in 4% of the cases, okay, of Down syndrome. 4% cases of Down syndrome are Robertsonian translocation, and it is not related with increased maternal age. Not related. It is familial. Okay, Robertsonian translocation is familial. तो इसमें क्या होता है? The extra chromosomal material derives from the presence of Robertsonian translocation of the long arm of chromosome 21 to another acrocentric chromosome. Example 22 or 14. तो इसमें some problem with chromosome 14 and 21. Okay, और 22 भी हो सकता है. ठीक है. So this is not related with maternal age. ये याद रखना, 4% of cases of Down syndrome are Robertsonian translocation and it is familial. ये याद रखना, familial. Okay, then after Robertsonian translocation, let's see about mosaicism. What does mosaicism mean? Unequal distribution of chromosomes in mitosis. Okay, so this is mosaicism. Okay, seen in 1% of the cases of Down syndrome. ठीक है, it is the least common cause. least common cause of Down syndrome, and again here no relation with maternal age. Okay, fine. Now we will see the symptoms and the clinical features of Down syndrome. Okay, we will see the symptoms and the clinical features of Down syndrome. So it can be remembered with a mnemonic: child has problem. Okay, problem. Child has problem. So C for congenital heart disease. Congenital heart disease. The patient also suffer from cataract. Okay. Now H. H for hypotonia and hypothyroidism. Okay. Hypothyroidism. I for increased gap between first and second toe. जो पैरों का first toe, this is the first toe, okay, and this is the second toe. There is a gap, okay, increased gap. This is the leg and the toe. So there is a gap between the first toe and the second toe. So this is known as saddle toe, okay. Then L for your leukemia, okay. The patient has increased chances of leukemia, okay. Then D for duodenal atresia, okay. There is problem in the duodenum. H for Hirschsprung disease, okay. A for Alzheimer's disease. So the patients of, this is to be remembered, patient of Down syndrome are more susceptible to Alzheimer's disease. Okay. Then S for simian crease, like the monkeys have one line in their hand. Unlike us, the human beings, we have three lines. In case of the Down syndrome patient, they have simian crease, that is one line. Okay. Now P for protruding tongue, also macroglossia we see, matlab large tongue. Macroglossia is seen. This is oral manifestation of Down syndrome. R for round face or rolling eyes. Okay. O for occiput is flat. Okay. Then we see oblique palpebral fissure. Then in the eyes we see brush-filled spots. This has to be remembered, brush-filled spot. In our image discussions, I will show you the pictures of all what I have been talking here. Okay, brush-filled spot. Then L for low nasal bridge. Okay. Then E for we see epicanthic fold, or the ear is folded. M for we see Mongolian slant. Okay. And एक हो गया micro, that is mental retardation and micrognathia. We see micrognathia in the patient of Down syndrome. ये याद रखना. तो most important points, micrognathia याद रखना है आपको. Congenital heart disease. Which type of congenital heart disease? Ventricular septal defects. Then hypothyroidism होता है, saddle toe होता है, leukemia, which type of leukemia? ALL, okay. और अगर AML होता है then AML M7, but most common is ALL, okay. Duodenal atresia याद रखना है आपको, Alzheimer's याद रखना है, simian crease, then macroglossia, it comes in oral pathology, round face, then low nasal bridge, epicanthic fold and Mongolian slant, ये याद रखना है आपको. So let's now see some of the high yield points in Down syndrome. ठीक है. तो congenital heart disease defect, most common is ventricular septal defect. Okay, leukemia, which leukemia is more common? ALL, but sometimes AML occurs, and if AML occurs, then AML M7 is the most common one. Okay, then we see hypothyroidism. Okay, now we will see the tests which we perform in the patients of जो डाउन सिंड्रोम मदर्स में हम जो टेस्ट करते हैं, तो वन इज नोन एज ट्रिपल टेस्ट, वन इज नोन एज क्वाड टेस्ट. ओके, सो व्हाट इज ट्रिपल टेस्ट? ट्रिपल टेस्ट में क्या होता है? वी टेक द AFP, alpha fetoprotein, then we take the HCG, okay, human chronic gonadotropin, and then we take estriol. So what happens in triple test? इसमें क्या होता है? HCG is increased, estriol is reduced, and AFP is reduced. You can remember it like that. H for high HCG. Okay. Now what is quad test? Triple test, three things are included. The quad test, triple test plus your inhibin, alpha inhibin alpha. So inhibin alpha is high here. So again you can remember I for inhibin, I for increase, inhibin alpha. Okay, so this you have to remember. Okay, and little bit more. So sporadic Down syndrome, it occurs due to meiotic non-junction associated with increased maternal age. जो sporadic Down syndrome होता है, the chances of second baby having Down syndrome are much lower. Okay, so sporadic Down syndrome, chances of second baby having Down syndrome are much lower. Okay, then familial Down syndrome जो होता है, that is Robertsonian translocation, the chances of second baby having Down syndrome, chances of second baby having Down syndrome is much higher. Okay, so this was all about Down syndrome.